Hello students, welcome to my channel. I am Sri here. Today we see froth flotation and the role of depressing agent in metallurgy lesson. Froth flotation. The most important concentration process is froth flotation. What is the principle? In this method, the metallic ore particles which are preferentially wetted by oil can be separated from gangue. The property of gangue, as far as this process is concerned, is preferentially wetted by water. What kind of ores can be concentrated by using froth flotation? Sulfide ores can be concentrated. For example, galena and zinc blende. This process can be understood by using this diagram. Listen, the tank is filled with water and little amount of pine oil along with crushed ore. What is the role of pine oil here? Pine oil is a frothing agent. With water it forms froth. Then add a little amount of sodium ethyl xanthate, which is known as collector. This combined with ore make the ore water repellent. So now by using this provision, blowing the air through the pipe, water, pine oil, crushed ore along with a little amount of sodium ethyl xanthate are agitated vigorously. The sulfide ore wetted with oil goes to form froth, goes to froth layer, whereas the gangue wetted by water settles in the bottom of the tank. The froth containing ore skimmed off and collected in another vessel and dried to recover the concentrated ore of separation of sulfides from gangue particles. The sulfides ore such as galena and zinc blende etc. can be concentrated by this method. Froth flotation. Point number 1. In this method, the crushed ore is suspended in water and mixed with the frothing agent such as pine oil or eucalyptus oil, etc. Point number 2. A small quantity of sodium ethyl xanthate which act as a collector is also added. Point number 3. A froth is generated by blowing air through this mixture. The collector molecule attached to the ore particle make them water repellent. Point number 4. As a result, the ore water repellent wetted by oil rise to the surface along with froth. Point number 5. The froth is skimmed off and dried to recover the concentrated ore. The gangue particles are preferentially wetted by water settle at the bottom. By using this method, we can able to separate sulfide ores such as galena, zinc blende, etc. So you understood very clearly froth flotation, how we have to separate ore from depressing agent. What is depressing agent? What is the role of depressing agent in froth flotations? The depressing agents used in froth flotations are sodium cyanide, sodium carbonate, etc. When a sulfide ore of metal of interest contains other metal sulfide as impurities, depressing agents such as sodium cyanide or sodium carbonate, etc. are used selectively to prevent other metal sulfides from coming to the froth. This can be well understood by taking an example. The ore of interest is galena, just the formula PbS. The ore as a gangue known as zinc sulfide. Both contain sulfide. Normally sulfides are preferentially wetted by oil. How we have to mask this zinc sulfide? To this crushed ore, add little amount of sodium cyanide which act as a depressing agent. Sodium cyanide reacts with zinc sulfide and forms a complex called sodium zinc cyanide. That complex covers the gangue particle. That complex coated over the zinc sulfide particles, that is a gangue particles. So that zinc sulfide gangue particle coated with complex preferentially wetted by water, whereas galena does not react with the sodium cyanide which is wetted by oil. Therefore, galena goes to froth whereas zinc sulfide settles in the bottom. So from this, by using depressing agent, we can easily concentrate galena. I hope everybody understood what is froth flotation, how we have to perform this, what is the role of depressing agent in froth flotations clearly. If you like this video, like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.